This might make your stock portfolio double. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, how's it going? We're here with another video. I just wanted to do this video and take a little bit of time. Been very busy as of late, but I did want to take a little bit of my time out of my schedule to go ahead and thank you guys for finally helping me, helping this community reach 100+ subscribers. I mean, it was only like 3 months ago where it was hard to get 10, or 2 months ago it was hard to get 10. It took us like a month to get 10 subscribers, and from that point on, and then it took us like another 2 months to get 40 more. But then from that point on, like within a week, it doubled up. So I wanted to say thank you so much for going ahead and taking your time. I know you guys are busy and you guys have jobs and stuff, but go ahead and taking your time and watching these videos. I wanna continue doing these videos for you guys, because I feel that this is like the best way of me being able to help people out with their financial situation. I know that everybody comes from different backgrounds, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I meant to establish this video not for any special purpose for myself. It was more so for trying to help other people kind of do the same thing at their level, at whatever level they're at, and do the same thing. Try to invest whatever money they can to try to make that grow for them, whether it's in stocks or in real estate, because I also do real estate. I do buy homes, I sell homes, but I really like stocks because it's a way of being able to grow your portfolio based on your decisions and based on the decisions that you make on a daily basis. It's something it's something that's been very interesting to me, and therefore I just keep trying to better this portfolio over and over and over. In this video, I just want to, like I said, I just wanted to thank you guys, but I also want to touch bases in regards to moving forward, what type of information we want to bring to you guys, and how you guys can also benefit from the same information. I'm thinking that moving forward, sometimes it's kind of difficult in getting this information to you guys rapidly. We've been able to grow our portfolio, and I just want to show you guys real quick. In the past year, we've been able to grow our portfolio. It hasn't been a year, but we grew it about almost 70%. Now I know other people have 100%, 200%, 300%. I don't care. I'm just interested in what this community can do together and how we can all benefit from this. So something real important that I use in my trading strategies is to get information and react based on that information. So sometimes I feel like the YouTube videos are awesome, but I can't get that information out fast enough. Because sometimes it can happen, something happens early in the morning, and I can't get that information out to you guys. But I'm gonna put a link on here that's gonna be for our Twitter posts. And I think those Twitter posts, if you guys start following that, then I think you guys are gonna be able to get this information when I get it. And I'm gonna try to put all the information out there as fast as possible, so you guys have the opportunity to get in the same trades that I'm getting into, and hopefully get your account to grow by 50%, 70%, even if it's 20%, guys. Whatever you can do with your money, how much ever it is. It don't matter if it's only $200. The important part is to get started, guys. That's the important part. If you guys get started, then you guys have an opportunity to turn those $200 into $400. And 400 to 1,000, and 1,000 to 5. And I have a friend right now that just got started with $1,000, and he's already at 5,000. That's not to prove a point, but it's just saying that if you get started and you really pay attention to this, you can do the same thing. We're all blessed to have a head, a brain, to be able to think and make our own decisions. And I want you guys to take part in that, you know, if you guys want to and want to make more money. This is like not financial advice, guys. This is just my opinion. But it's something that's worked for me. Maybe it could work for you. So the Twitter handle is going to be @InvestingOG. And it's going to be right here, @InvestingOG. Follow us on Twitter. I'm going to relay any information that I get. I'll give you a perfect example. About 3 days ago, Fubo was upgraded. Okay? At like 5 in the morning, guys. 5 in the morning, it was upgraded by a big firm. As soon as I got the message, I went on my Robinhood app. I bought some shares. I bought some calls on Fubo. That same day, guys, it took me 2 days, and I sold some shares, and I sold my calls on Fubo, and it was like $1,000 profit day, guys. Easy. Based on what? Based on something that we've talked about here on this channel before. Information, guys. If you get that information fast enough, you can make stuff happen. Information is the most important thing in this world right now. We're dealing on a daily basis with information, and depending on you, on how fast you can take that information and apply it to something beneficial like the stock market, just like I did with the example of Fubo. I applied it. I received the information and then I applied the information. A lot of people receive the information and never apply it. Don't be that person. Be the person that receives the information and applies it. And then with time, you're going to see that receiving information and applying information and turn into success. You could take those $100 and turn them to 1,000. I just seen a guy take $15,000, turn it to 120,000. If he can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. And we can all do it together. Guys, with our community, I'm based out of LA. I know all you guys could be everywhere in different places, but I want to be more, you know, mix it up a lot more in the comments. I reply to every single comment, guys. Whether it's good or bad, it's okay. I reply to it. Please let me know if you have questions or if you think I should do something better, or maybe you guys want to watch certain videos. I try to give you videos on up and coming companies. I try to connect the dots for you guys, but please go on the comment section. Make sure you follow us on Twitter at InvestingOG. I'm going to do my best to send out as much information I can to you guys, so therefore when I receive the information, you guys could receive the information. When you guys receive the information, you guys could send it to me. And we're going to grow this community together, guys. And later on, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, if you guys are in LA, guys, I'll make something out in LA. We'll get somewhere. We'll all get together. We could share ideas once this COVID thing is over with. Share ideas. We do, like I said, we do other stuff. We do investing in properties as well, okay? So if you're in LA, reach out to us. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you're into. Let us know if you're into real estate, if you're into stocks. We also have another channel, Los Angeles Building and Design, right on YouTube. We put videos up there of our projects and stuff like that. So we keep real busy, guys. But what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get as many people together to get our ideas together, and so we can grow together. This is going to be our own community. There's plenty of communities out there. I just like communities. I like dealing with people that have common sense. And I hope that that's one thing you guys get from me. Somebody that's real, you know, to the ground. I'm not going to get too happy. I'm not going to get too sad. And I just got common sense. And common sense in this world, I think right now, is something that we're missing. But I want to build that community, guys. Like I said, guys, thank you so much for taking us to 100 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but at one point I thought it was. So 100 subscribers might turn into 1,000, and if we do ever get to 1,000, then we'll do a live stream or something like that. But with that, guys, thank you. Like I said, please follow us on Twitter at InvestingOG. Make sure you guys follow, and I'm going to be sending out this information, guys. This is all for you. So to all my people, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.